So you might be in a situation where for some reason WatchOS 26 is just not installing or updating on your Apple Watch. Now, fixing this is pretty basic. It doesn't really take too much time. But the very first thing you're going to want to do is number one, you want to make sure that your Apple Watch is supported on WatchOS 26. So that's kind of the big one. So make sure your Apple Watch is supported on that version of software. Number two, make sure your iPhone is also, I think it might not need to be on iOS 26. So make sure it's on iOS 26 before going on. That's another very big thing you might end up having to do there as well. Now, if you are able to go inside of your settings in the software update panel, click on download and install, you will probably end up having to go through and basically keep your Apple Watch on a charger of some sort. So make sure your Apple Watch itself is basically charged up to at least 50%. If it's less than 50%, like mine is 49%, that might also cause some issues as well. So make sure that's not the case. Now on top of that, as you're updating your Apple Watch, you might have to go through and you might want to make sure that your iPhone and your Apple Watch are basically side by side with each other and they're not too far away. Sometimes if your Apple Watch and everything are too far from each other, that might end up causing some problems and that might end up causing some issues. So go through, make sure there's no problems or issues as you're kind of going through and keeping them next to each other. If you keep them far away or if you walk away from them and it's too far, they won't be able to communicate and that might end up hurting the installation process as well. Now, you might also have to go through and force restart both devices. So if both devices are giving you problems, you might have to go through and just force restart both of them. So deleting, just basically restarting them, just holding down the buttons to restart it, slide the power off on both. Go ahead and kind of open them both back up, try repairing them, try to go through and update them again, and that might end up fixing the problem. So those are kind of the main ways to go ahead and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, it helps me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.